think we better put one in here. We need to lower the thing stop down just a little bit. I'd like to get under this 800 actually. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'd add my other one right around the high of this, right around here. You know, 250 or so. $803.50 is my entry. Stops down here under 800, 89.25. I think an obvious target would be this 810, and then I have kind of a high of this 811.50. Not entirely sure how accurate that is. So 27 would be here. Better front run that 810. Go 950. $809.50. Then we'll leave this other one to see if we can, tuck a stop underneath it. See how this acts when it gets up to about here. It starts to fail on me. I can take one there. I'll actually look for my 20 ticks. It's going to be at the top of this. $850. So if you watch any of my videos, you'll remember that, or you might remember that I was having a problem with trades falling back on me. So I was needing to make an adjustment and get used to taking smaller targets. Now you can tell like the trades are, I'm taking those smaller targets, but I'm kind of in an environment where I need to take longer targets, and I need to make that adjustment. And overall, I need to get better at making that adjustment. So I've gotten used to taking smaller targets. I was used to taking bigger targets. Now I need to get used to actually making that adjustment between, whether I want to take a long target or short target. And also in this trade, there was the factor of, we were coming to that all-time high. So I thought for sure that there was going to be people front running that. So any chance I could, I took what I could take out of it. I want to see it get over this level here. Right at that level now. If there's any interest in moving this higher, I think that would be the level that it would start to fall back on me. The first level that it would start to fall back on me if, now I'm looking kind of here because they got through this. There's a nice little push. I think we'll take one there. It's just grinding a little too much. And I was thinking about taking one at this 850, but I thought by the time it got up there, you might as well be shooting for this. And this would be kind of the level that you'd want to take one. So I wasn't going to wait for a couple ticks. Right now the stop is at the 84. The way it was moving, I wasn't betting on it getting to the top of this node. So that's why I took that one. Normally if I was looking at a node, I'd want to target this area. So because it wasn't, pushing right up there, I took that one. Let's see how this acts towards the top now. You could easily go into a range. And we need to adjust this to that 10. The 950 is our 27. Just leave it there for now. Where would the 40 to the upside be? That's way up here, 813.50. Like I said, I think this is the all-time high, but it might not be entirely accurate. I want to break this A high relatively quick, just in case that creates a poor high that's going to pull it back in here. 87. We know that the 887 is 87.50. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade MarketProfile and VolumeProfile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. 88.50 is the 20 ticks. Oop, took it out there at the 950. I was going to try and extend that a little higher. So that was 27 ticks. I didn't set that order down quick enough. I didn't move it quick enough, and it was still there. If I would have set it down here, it would have, moved it, but it took it out right there at the 950. So that's 27 ticks. So I got about 775 on one, so 17 ticks on one, and then that other one was a 29 ticks.